Back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. This is a Cub Cadet with a Honda engine, and I got this thing for absolutely free on Facebook Marketplace, and the owner gave it away because there's something wrong with the carburetor. And looking at this thing, it looks brand new. Like, it's in really good shape. It's got the bag, it's got a nice color, it's got the Honda engine. It does not have a transmission, so you have to push this thing. I'm always surprised when I get some of these things for free because it looks too good to be true. It does have a little bit of, rust. The paint is peeling here. This is something I've never seen on a lawnmower, and it's like a hose attachment. It's got a quick release. You kind of push it up and out, and you just put your hose on here, and then I guess you clean the inside of it. This is a 100cc Honda engine. It's the GCV160 Honda Easy Start, and it's the Cub Cadet. So basically, they put a lot of these engines into these lawnmowers. Got this, I pulled the cord and it wouldn't start. Then I realized that the fuel petcock was shut off. I turned it on and it promptly started. But there's something off with it. I believe the carburetor just keeps pumping fuel into the motor. On this side, you have the exhaust. And I noticed when I was pulling the cord, white smoke was coming out of it in the beginning. I believe that's gas that's in the motor, the air filter. And all you do is kind of push down on these tabs and just kind of pull it out. It's very much like every single lawnmower. You want to check the air filter. It actually looks pretty clean. We have to pull this out because the carburetor is right here. You could actually drain the carburetor using this little thing, but I want to pull everything out. So we're going to pull these 10 millimeters out here. I'll just pull that out here. There we go. So there goes the airbox cables here. So this is your fuel line. You want to make sure that your petcock is off. That way it won't, fuel won't spill out. And then you have this little metal here that goes into this butterfly. And actually this kind of comes out. So I pull this out. Also, there's quite a few gaskets. So one gasket here on the motor. And then you have another gasket on this bit of plastic. There we go. It's kind of coming. Some fuel is going to be coming out. That's okay. There we go. The thin cable goes on the lateral hole, and the other one goes more towards the middle of the carburetor. Suspect the float is letting fuel into the engine. I had the same thing happen on a scooter, the Yamaha Riva. It was just constantly open. I also want to pull the spark plug out. So here's the, it's super tight. Pull that out. Now we're going to remove it. Good. You should always check these things, especially when everything is flooding and everything, because it tells you what is happening. Yeah, so it's running rich. So now we're going to be changing the oil on this thing. And unfortunately, most of these lawnmowers have this weird thing. They just don't have a drain bolt that you can put all the oil in there. You actually have to tilt it, which is a really odd type of thing to do. This is your dipstick, and it's also your drain, which is such a terrible idea. Filled the little mower with oil. Doesn't take very much, and of course you have the dipstick to check it. Good. This little diaphragm looks good. Not exactly sure what is happening, but we're going to pull out the pilot, which. So yeah, this thing actually looks fairly clean, and it's puzzling because I don't know exactly why it's doing that. Metal cleaner, it's simple green for metal, and that's what you want for this. Now I'm going to leave the plastic bits, it's fine. Then I'm just going to drop it in there. There's a little basket. Okay, it is done. Let's pull it out of the oven here. This is a little on the hotter side, so. One of the things that happens on this, and one of the main suspects, is this. That little needle, that tip, if it gets scored, it lets gas into the motor, even when the engine is off. You know, I've seen this in motorcycles. So a lot of times it's this little thing, but I can't tell. It actually looks perfect. But if there's like any debris or dirt, that could cause it to stay open. That's one of the problems. And here we go, guys. That's the carburetor, fully assembled. I put everything together. I cleaned it out. I put it in the fluid 2 times. And now we're just going to reverse all the steps and put it back in the lawnmower. I'm going to crank it just with the cord. The motor is nice and free. It's not binding. Before, it actually got stuck. But now, this is the, we're going to turn the fuel on. And then we're going to crank it. That was a pretty easy crank, so that's good news. So I guess it was just a little bit of the carb clean on this little thing. So the next step is really to take it out, see how it cuts. But it's a pretty seriously good mower. You can get these much cheaper than a Honda brand, and it has a Honda engine. All right, guys, if you enjoyed these little lawnmower videos, post up in the comments below. If not, give me a nice dislike and I'll know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.